First, you are going to salt and pepper shrimp to taste. We are making shrimp with vodka sauce. You're gonna cook the shrimp in a separate pan, then the vodka sauce, and you are getting your water ready to boil. So I heated up a coating of avocado oil. I'm gonna saute a medium shallot that I diced up. I love, this is from Pampered Chef, so no more crying from shallots or onions. I'm also gonna take about, let's see, measure with your heart, about that much minced garlic, and then this much shallot. So give this a stir. Once again, we are making vodka sauce. And in a separate pan, I'm going to start sauteing the shrimp that I already used sea salt and a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. But let's start the sauteed shallots and minced garlic first. Next, I am going to start a box of pasta. That takes about 10 to 11 minutes to cook. So next, what I am adding is tomato paste. And that takes a while to cook down. You're just slowly starting to mush that down. And I'm gonna lower the heat. Now, while that's slowly cooking down, I'm actually going to add the vodka, and it's 1/4 a cup of vodka, and that's actually going to cook off, so you are going to get the taste of the vodka in your sauce. And next, you're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now, you can make this on the lighter side, so you could use light heavy cream or light cream. It will affect the taste. And you're also going to have half a cup of grated Parmesan. So I have 2 different types. I have the shredded and I have the grated. So I'm gonna do 1/4 and 1/4. So now, while this is starting to cook down, this is when I'm going to actually heat my other pan, because this is halfway through. And now it doesn't take that long for the shrimp to cook, so that's when I'm going to start to get my pan on. So right now, it does not look too appetizing. Now we're going to add the heavy cream. So here is the first cup of heavy cream. Now, if you want to thin out your sauce, because it is going to be a little bit thicker once you add the 2 tablespoons of butter and the half a cup of Parmesan cheese. So once you add that, it is on the thicker side. If you reserve a couple of tablespoons of your pasta water, you can thin your sauce out. Personally, I do like a thicker sauce, so I do not do that. But if you like a thinner sauce, feel free to do that. So keep on stirring. Trick to this meal is keep on stirring. So right now my flame is on low because I am working with a gas stove. Just keep on stirring. And now I'm going to add my second cup of heavy cream. Just keep on stirring. So this is what the vodka sauce looks like right now. I'm adding a little bit less than 1/4 of a cup of the grated Parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to add what I have of the shredded next, and then 2 tablespoons of butter. Just give that a little more of a stir. I must have tried at least 10 different vodka sauce recipes over the years, if not more. And this is the closest to this old recipe of this little Italian place next to in Freehold Township, where me and my brother grew up. So this is the right consistency. To me and my brother, this is the perfect vodka sauce. So we just add some shrimp, put it over pasta, and it's delicious. We have not had any complaints. So as I said before, if you want a thinner sauce, reserve some of the pasta water. If you like a thicker sauce, don't do that. You might need a little bit of sea salt. If you like an extra kick, add a little bit of crushed red pepper. My husband does not like the extra kick, so we do not do that here. But if you do, just a pinch of crushed red pepper. But here you go. It is almost done. But this is the right consistency. And when it's all put together, I will show you that all plated up. I just got to get the last of the cheese right here.